In this video, we will talk about Lean Band's reviews. Legit or scam supplement? Let's find out. Lean Bands is marketed as weight loss or fat burning supplement. It's often advertised with praise like boost metabolism, natural ingredients, or target stubborn fat. Sounds familiar, right? That's because it's a formula that's been repeated across dozens of similar products. Here's where things get tricky. While the product talks a big game, the transparency isn't always there. First is who makes lean bands? Second, where is it manufactured? And lastly, are there independent lab results or clinical studies backing it? Most of this information is hard to verify, and that should raise questions. A lot of so called reviews online are affiliate based or promotional. In other words, they are written to sell the product, not give an honest take. There are also customer complaints scattered across forums and social media, including issues with delayed shipping, unclear return policies, and underwhelming results. Let's quickly go over common red flags to look out for. First is vague ingredient lists, no proof of clinical testing. And lastly, limited company information. Linban shows signs of a few of these, which doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it should encourage you to dig deeper. And at the end of the day, lean bands might not be an outright scam, but calling it trustworthy would be a stretch. It lands in the market middle ground where the marketing sounds great, but the proof just isn't there. So, if you're serious about health or weight management, always consult a licensed professional before turning to any supplement. And that is for today's review. Thank you for watching.